This video explains how to create a wooden mount for a Dendrobium orchid, using what's called a Keiki. Key takeaways. What a Keiki is a new shoot that grows from the end of a Dendrobium's flower stalk. This can happen when the plant shifts from a reproductive to a vegetative state, due to a sudden change in temperature. How to mount a Keiki. It's best to remove the Keiki once its roots have grown to a decent size. Use a knife or sterilized scissors to detach it, making sure to cause as little damage as possible. While you can use any kind of wood, something rot-resistant is ideal. The video recommends using hinoki, cypress, for its pleasant scent and accessibility. First, wrap the wood in moss. Then place the Keiki on the wood, considering the direction of new growth. Secure it in place with fishing line or twine. Moss use tips. If you're growing it at home, it's a good idea to use a bit more moss, about 1 cm thick, to prevent the plant from dehydrating. Use less moss if your environment is humid and more if it's dry. An alternative method. The video's creator also suggests a new method of growing orchids in a pot, but within a wooden mount frame. This approach reduces the chances of failure and looks better, because the orchid's roots naturally attach to the frame.